How to link Xbox account to Steam. So first, just open up your Xbox app, be it on your phone or your computer. But for this video, I'm using a computer. So just open up your Xbox app on your computer. Now, once you're there, just simply click on your profile on the top left corner and just click on settings. And here on account, when you scroll down a little, you will see linked accounts where you could basically link your Steam right here. So just simply click on link or the link button right here, just beside Steam, and just wait for it to load. And it will open up a browser. So this is the browser, and I'm just going to basically sign in right here to connect my Steam account. So we'll just sign in, wait for it to load. Now it's going to open up Xbox. And now as you can see, my Steam has been connected, and I could also show my icon on my profile if I just check it right there. And that's basically how you connect or link your Xbox account to your Steam account.